Eight habits of highly effective top performers in mix. Have you ever wondered how is it that some students gain 21 grade A's in 21 different subjects? Have you ever asked yourself how do they do that? Well, in this video you learn some of the habits of highly effective top performers in mathematics. You learn what they do so you too can learn and do what they have done. Top performers do not have a bigger or better brain than you have. They use a superior learning strategy. Remember that. Top performers use a superior learning strategy. They have habits that are very effective. For example, top performers seek to understand the math problem as the first step. And in this set of videos, you learn science backed learning strategies to master mathematics. Yes, science backed research shows methods that you can use to get top grades in mathematics. The first step you need to do is to seek to understand the problem. Underachievers try to memorize the problem instead of understand the problem. Avoid that trap. You want to understand the problem. Seek you first to understand the problem, and I'll show you techniques you can use to develop your understanding of any math problem. Underachievers try to memorize the problem. Avoid that. Another method that is highly effective that top performers use is they generate their own questions. They generate their own questions. When studying from their textbook, they turn headings and subheadings into questions and they write out those questions in their notebook. For example, definitions of concepts and principles. Another method that they use, another technique is they ask themselves questions. Questions about the problem. Do I understand the problem? Have I seen a similar problem to this before? What are the givens in this problem? What are the unknowns? What are the operations? Can I solve a part of the problem? By asking yourself questions, you deepen your understanding of the problem. Now, there are two types of questions, low order questions and high order questions. You'll learn more about that in a subsequent video. Top performers use science backed study methods. In school, they do not teach you science backed learning methods for any subject. A few students may have stumbled upon an effective study method and they have used it successfully and gained top marks. In this set of videos, you learn science-backed methods to boost your performance in mathematics. And you'll also learn about mnemonics that you can apply to memorize the definitions of concepts and principles. You can use also flashcards, which are very, very effective. Top performers use flashcards to boost their performance, to boost their recall of definitions of concepts and principles. You too can also do that. You can use the highly effective habits of top performers to gain top marks in mathematics.